Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small, the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about a simple but not easy way to avoid Washington state estate taxes. Before I get to that though, I want to remind you, if you have any questions related to estate planning or probate and you would like to talk with us over the phone for free, you can do so by going to estatemeeting.com. Simple, it's easy, we're fun. estatemeeting.com. Okay. A simple but easy way to avoid Washington state estate taxes. Before I get to that answer, let me give you the spiel on Washington state estate taxes real quick. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Basically, Washington state has its own estate tax. This estate tax starts at $2.193 million per person as of the time of recording this episode. Okay, it usually goes up a little bit year over year. It did not go up at all last year. Who knows with the coronavirus if it's going to go up this year? We'll find out soon enough. But $2.193 million. What that means is if you die and your estate is worth more, your Washington state estate or your Washington state assets are more than $2.193 million, you are going to owe the state of Washington some money. The first million over that 2.1 is taxed at 10%. The next million is at 14%. It goes up a little bit over that course of time. But that is what we were talking about when we were talking about avoiding Washington state estate taxes. Okay? Now, what you need to know about Washington state estate taxes, that's very difficult to say. That's why I have to say it so slowly every time. And it's hard because I'm a fast talker. What is important to know about that is that the only things that are actually taxed in that equation are your Washington state assets. Okay, so if you own a $5 million home in LA, or you own a big mountain retreat in Aspen, then those things are not going to count when it comes to the amount of tax that is owed. Okay, it comes into account whether or not you have to file a return, but they back all of the non-Washington state assets out when you're calculating your taxes. Okay, for that reason, a simple way to avoid Washington state estate taxes is to move out of the state of Washington. Okay, I was talking to someone today, a potential client who soon to be current client, which is nice. Thank you guys for trusting us. But they were considering purchasing a home in another state, and making that home their residence, keeping their home here. I think they just like it here. It's a great place, but reducing immediately their estate taxes by a significant amount by maintaining a residence somewhere else. And you simply pick a state that you like and also checks any other boxes that you want. For example, it doesn't have income tax, probably doesn't also have its own estate tax, which is easy to find, and you just move there, basically. Keep your house here. If you stay under that $2.1 million mark, then you're good. The reason why moving out of the state and establishing a residence somewhere else matters is because when you move and establish a residence in that other state, then all of your bank accounts, all of your retirement accounts, all of those kind of proceeds, they technically become assets in that state. So then you can sort of obviously avoid having to count them as Washington state assets and paying estate taxes on those assets. Okay? Hopefully that made sense. Like I said, simple but not easy because you have to move. That's what makes it hard. But effective nevertheless. Okay? That is it. As always, if you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And if you would like to speak with us specifically about anything related to estate planning or probate, you can do so over the phone for free by going to estatemeeting.com. All right, that's it. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I am Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm, and I appreciate you. All right, have a great day. See ya.